Hey, this is Shannon with Smoking the Wild with a really quick tip for you. Just as a follow-up to our venison meatloaf muffins, if you're anything like us, we've got an 11 soon to be 12-year-old, a 14 soon to be 15, and a 16 or 15 soon to be 16. That's hard to keep them all straight. So leftovers are a really big deal in our house, plus just keeping them fed. My goodness, the grocery store and Costco loves it when they see us, because keeping these kids fed is like a full-time gig. So as a follow-up to the venison meatloaf muffins, I've got the leftovers here, and you'll see it right here. All right, so you talk about a quick, easy, great tasting, real quick meal for these kids. I've got one of the muffins right here. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take some slices. So now that I have these venison, I can't stress it enough, this is deer meat. And I promise you, if you do it the way we talked about in the previous episode, most people are gonna not even know it's deer meat. I'm a deer hunter, and I'm having a hard time remembering that this is actually deer meat, but again, I love deer meat. But all I gotta do is get you some Hawaiian sweet rolls, Hawaiian bread sweet rolls. And if you're on a keto diet, we also have very low to no carb mini tortillas. You can either microwave this meatloaf or not, but all you gotta simply do is cut the bread in half. This is optional, but our kids like it. Take just a little bit of the blueberry preserves, which is in the glaze of these mini meatloaf venison muffins. Spread it around, whether you've microwaved it or not. Throw a little of that meat on there. Bing, bang, boom. You can do the same thing to tortillas. It's quick, it's easy, it tastes great. Takes advantage of a meal that you've already made. I've got less than 5 minutes involved here, other than me talking here. It's quick, it's easy, it's great. It's another way to optimize the exceptional cooking that you're about to start on. This is a great meal. You're gonna love it. Thanks for watching.